continuation in the last class. Today we have to discuss about on some problems like that. A bag B1 contains 4 white balls and 2 black balls, and second bag has 3 white balls and 3 black balls. One ball each is drawn at random from 2 bags with replacement. Then find the probability that both the balls are of the same color. Then another chance of we have to solve the problem like this. Let E1 be the event of let E1 be the event of drawing black ball in first bag. How many black balls in the first bag here? 2 black balls. That is 2C1 by P of A is equal to 2C1 by 6C1. This is P of E1. This is P of E1. And E2 be the event of drawing white ball in first bag. How many white balls in the first bag we have? 4 white balls. That is 4E2. P of E2 is equal to 4C1 by 6C1. That is equal to 4 by 6. Here P of E1 is 2 by 6. In second bag also we have white and black balls. In second bag also we have 3 white balls and 3 black balls. Here E3 be the event of drawing white balls. P of E3 in second bag. In second bag is P of E3 is equal to 3C1 by 6C1. That is equal to 3 by 6. And E4 is the event of drawing black balls in second bag. That is P of E4 is equal to, here also black balls also 3 here, 3C1 by 6C1. That is equal to 3 by 6. The probability of finding that both balls are of the same color. Both balls are of the same color. Therefore, probability of selecting same color in first and second bags is P of E1 intersection E3 plus P of E1 intersection E4. Here E1, E3 is the white balls, E2, E4 is the black balls. Here we have to write these are independent events. P of E1 into P of E3 plus P of E2 into P of E4. E1 is the event of drawing white balls is 2 by 6 into 4 here. In second bag white balls is 3 by 6. Here the E2 is the event of black balls, that is 4 by 6. Here E4 is the event of black balls in the second bag. Here 5 by 6 by 2 3s are 6 by 36 plus 12 by 36. That is equal to LCM is same here. 6 plus 12. 18 by 36. 18 get cancelled here 2 times. Therefore, 1 by 2. This is the another way of finding the same color balls in two bags. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. We are going to the next problem is, here also two bags are there. In first bag, 3 black balls and 4 white balls. 3 black balls and 4 white balls in one bag. And in second bag, 4 black balls and 3 white balls in the second bag. First one, a die is rolled. A die is rolled. And the first bag is selected. What are the chances here? 1 or 3 turns up. Suppose we have to roll a die. That way, the number of faces is 1 or 3 is first bag selection. And the second bag is in the rest. The second bag, the selection is remaining. That is 2, 4, 5, 6. 4 chances for the selection of second bag and 2 chances of selection of first bag. Let E1 be the event of selecting the first bag. When a dice is rolled, in a dice has 6 faces, but here only we have to turn up only 2, 1 or 3. That is equal to 2 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. And E2 be the event of selecting the second bag. Selecting the second bag is, what is the dice turn up here? 2 or 4 or 5 or 6. Total 4 chances. By 4 by 6 is here 2 by 3. For finding the probability of drawing a black ball from the selected bag. From the first bag we have 3 white black balls. In second bag we have 4 black balls. Let B by E1 be the event of selecting black ball. Selecting black ball in first bag. That is equal to how many black balls here? Black balls is 3. 3 by 7. Here also on B by E2 be the event of selecting black ball in second bag. How many black balls in the second bag here? 4. By total is 7. First bag selection is 2 by 6. Second bag selection is 4 by 6. The probability of selecting black ball is P of E1 into P of B by E1 plus P of E2 into P of B by E2. Here P of E1 is 1 by 3, P of E2 is 2 by 3. Substituting the values here. 1 by 3 into P of B by E1 is 3 by 7 plus P of E2. E2 is 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. P of B by E2 is 4 by 7. Here the denominators are equal. That is 3 by 21 plus 8 by 21. 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11 by 21. The probability of selecting two black balls from two bags is 11 by 21. And then this is the problems on multiplication theorem. Again we are discussing about Bayes theorem. Suppose A and B are two events. Suppose E1, E2 and so on. En are n events in a random experiment. In a random experiment, and A is the event of random experiment. A is the event of random experiment. These are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive events means A intersection B is equal to pi. Mutually exhaustive events is all events in a sample space. Suppose P of EI is greater than 0. EI intersection EJ is equal to pi. This is mutually exclusive event definition, and exhaustive is union I is equal to 1 to n. EI is equal to S. The events, all are the events in a sample space S. Suppose A is event in a sample space A containing S. That implies A can be written as A intersection S. Here S is nothing but union I is equal to 1 to n EI. Applying the values of I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and so on n, we have to write as E1 intersection, E2 intersect union and so on En. It can be written as A union, sorry, here A intersection A intersection E1 union A intersection E2 union and so on A intersection En. The value of A is A intersection E1 union A intersection E2 and so on A intersection En. Applying theorem on probability here, we get it as P of A is equal to, we get P of A is equal to P of A intersection EI. P of A is equal to P of A intersection E1. Here union is there. Then applying the probability, we get it as here plus P of A intersection E2 and so on plus P of A intersection En. This can be written as sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of A intersection EI. P of A is, now we have to write it as sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of A intersection EI. By using Bayes theorem, multiplication theorem on Bayes theorem. Multiplication theorem is what? The statement of multiplication theorem is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A. Applying the statement of multiplication theorem in this theorem. Okay, and then we can later on we get here P of EK by A is equal to P of EK into P of A by EK by P of A. Here P of A is nothing but sigma P of A by EK. P of A is nothing but sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of EI into P of A by EI. Here Bayes theorem, suppose E1, E2, etc. En are n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of a random experiment, then P of EI is not equal to 0. Here the value of I is 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Then find any event A in a random experiment. The event is not equal to 0. That is P of EK by A is equal to P of Ek into P of A by Ek by sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of Ei into P of A by Ei. Mutually exclusive means P A intersection B is equal to pi. P of Ei is greater than 0. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. n. Then by the hypothesis any two events is not equal. Thus we have to take it as I is not equal to j. Ei and Ej are two events in a sample space. Then the intersection is pi. The union also in a sample space. Then yes, A event is a sample. A is an event in a random experiment that A containing in a sample space S. This can be written as A intersection S. Here S is nothing but union I is equal to 1 to n Ei. Substituting here, we can get here A is equal to A intersection S. S is equal to union I is equal to 1 to n Ei. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and so on. N. A intersection Ei. E1 union A intersection E2 union A intersection En and so on. A intersection Ei. So applying probability on both sides, this union will become here plus a P of A is equal to P of A intersection E1 plus P of A intersection E2 and so on. P of A intersection En. And then P of A is nothing but we have to write it as sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of A intersection Ei. Using multiplication theorem, P of Ei into P of A by Ei. Then we have to take it in place of I is equal to K. P of Ek by A is equal to P of A intersection Ek by P of A. P of A intersection K is sigma I is equal to P of A intersection Ek is P of Ek into P of A by Ek. P of A is nothing but sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of Ei into P of A by Ei. We have to substitute that. This formula we have to use in the problems. Okay, and then this is the difference between the Bayes theorem and the multiplication theorem is, we have to see in these problems. Here 3 black balls and 4 white balls in one bag and 4 black balls and 3 white balls in second bag. A die is rolled. 1 or 3 selected, first bag is selected if it is 1 or 3 and second bag is in the rest. Find the probability of drawing first black ball of the selecting the bag. Here we have to select a black ball in selected bag. Here not mention 1 or 2 bags, first or second. In these problems we have to use multiplication theorem. There the black balls and white balls is there in first 2 bags, but we have to draw only black ball from selected bag. This here we need not to mention the first bag or second bag. This problem we have to use the multiplication theorem. And then next one is, here 3 bags are there. 3 urns have the following composite numbers of the balls here. N1 has 1 white and black balls. N2 has white and black balls. And 3 has white and black balls. Here urn means bag. Here 3 urns has white and black balls. Here we have to selected randomly. A ball is drawn. Turn out of that is it is white. Here the ball is white. But the probability of finding the N2, here the bag also mentioned here. Ball color and bag also mentioned. This type of problems using Bayes theorem. For this one you have to use it only here. Bag is not mentioned here. Only color is mentioned. That's why here this problem we have to do in multiplication theorem. For these problems we have to do in Bayes theorem. Here bag and selection of the color also they mentioned here. That's why I am using here the Bayes theorem. Let E1 be the event of let E1 be the event of selecting a ball in on 1, that is P of E1 is equal to how many bags are there here? 3 bags. Then the total chances is 1 by 3. Similarly, E2 be the event of selecting second bag. P of E2 is equal to here also 1 by 3 chance, and E3 also be the event of selecting third bag. Is P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. Here P of E1, E2, E3 is 1 by 3. In first bag, second bag and third bag. First bag has 1 white, 2 black. One white and 2 black balls. Here 2 white and 1 white ball. 1 black ball. Here 2 white and 2 black. First bag, second bag, third bag has white balls here. What is the probability we have to find here? We have selected the bag 3 has white balls. Okay, and then B by E1 be the event of selecting white ball. Selecting white ball. P of selecting white ball is 2 by 4. Total how many bags? Here total is 2, but white balls is 2. Total is 4 here, and W by E2 be the event of selecting white ball in second bag. That is P of probability of W by E2 is equal to how many white balls here? 2 white balls. That is 2 by total is 3, and W by E3 be the event of selecting white ball is P of W by E3 is equal to how many white balls here? How many white balls here? 2 by 4. Substituting the values here. Probability of finding P of E3 by W and E3 P of E3 value already you know 1 by 3, and W by E3 is how many white balls in bag 3 has 2 white balls. Here also you have to know the values. Substituting here 1 by 3 into 2 by 4 by here P of E1. P of E1 also 1 by 3, and white balls in the first bag has 1 by 1 and total is 3. 1 by 3 plus P of E2 has 1 by 3. White balls is 2 by 3. Here 1 by 3 into 2 by 4. That is 2 by 12 by 1 by 9, 2 by 9 and 2 by 12. 2 by here. Take in the calculation here. 2 by 12 by 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 2 by 12. Here the denominators has 9, 9, 12. Take the LCM here. 3 3s 9, 9 4s 36, 2 by 12 by here the LCM is 36, 4 plus 4, here 12 3s, 6 here, 2 by 12 into 36 by 14, here 2 table will cancel here 6 times, here 6 will cancel here 6 times, 2 table here 3, here 7. The probability of finding the 3 balls is 3 by 7, and then next one is, here also 3 boxes are there, numbered 1, 2, 3 containing the balls as follows. The table is, first bag has 1 white, 2 black and 3 red. Second bag has 2 white, 1 black and 1 red. Third bag has 4 white, 5 black and 3 red balls. Then one box is selected at randomly. That ball is, we have red. One box is selected randomly and a ball is drawn it. If a ball is red, then find the probability of that it is from the bag, from the box 2. Second box has finding the red ball. Then here how many boxes are there here? 3 boxes. That is 1, 2, 3. E1 is the event of P of E1 is the event of selecting first bag or box is 1 by 3 and E1, P of E1 has 1 by 3 and E2 is the event of selecting second box is P of E2 is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, E3 is the event of selecting third box is P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. We have to select only red balls from box 1, box 2 and box 3. Selecting first box has first box, second box and third box. We have to select only red balls. In first box has the red balls is, first box has red balls is 3, second box has 1, third box has 3. That is here first box has 3 red balls, second box has 1 red ball, third box has 3 red balls. Total number of balls in first box. Total number of balls is how many here? 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. In second bag has 4 and first box has total 6, here 4 total. Here also total second box has 4 and third box has 4 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Third box has 11 balls. Then P of R by E1 be the event of selecting red ball in box 1 is P of R by E1 is equal to how many here? 3 red balls, total 6. Similarly, P of R by E2 is equal to 1 red ball, total 4. And similarly, third box has 3 red balls, totally 11 balls. P of R by E1 is 3 by 6 and P of R by E2 is 1 by 4. P of R by E3 is 3 by 11. Substituting in this equation, we find that P of E3 by R is equal to P of E3 into P of R by E3. P of E3 is nothing, the value is 1 by 3 and R by E3 is 3 by 11. Here E1 has 1 by 3. R by E1 is 3 by. R by E1 value is 3 by 6. Plus in second box has total 1 red ball, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Here also 1 by P of E3 is 1 by 4, 1 by 3 into 3 by 11. Substituting the values of P of E1, E2, E3 and R by E1, R by E2 and R by E3. Then simplify this. Here 3 will cancel here. Here also 3 cancel here, 3 cancel. Then we can get here 1 by 11 by 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Here 1 by 11. Take the LCM of 6, 12, 11. Here 2 will cancel here 3, 6, 11. Again 3 table 3, 1, 2 3s, 6, 6 2s, 12. 12 into 11. 132. That is 1 by 11 by the LCM is 132. One by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 11. One by 11 by 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 11. Here 1 by 11, the LCM is 132. How many times here? 6. LCM of 6, 12, 11. Take 2 here, 3, 6, 11. Again 3. Here 6 is there, then it is 22 and again 132 by 12 is 11 plus here 12. 1 by 11 into 132 by 22 plus 11, 33, 44, 43, 44. Here 2 table will cancel here, 6, 66 here, 22. Again here 33, here 11. Here 3 table, that is equal to 3 by 11. Therefore, the probability of 3 boxes for finding the value of white color is 3 by 11. And next we are going to discuss about the next problem. Suppose that here also 2 bags are there. First bag has 3 white, 2 white and 3 black balls. And second bag also 3 white and 4 black balls. And one urn is selected at random. The ball is drawn, a ball is drawn from it. If the ball is drawn, found it is black. Let us find the probability that the urn chosen was B1. Suppose B1 has B1, B2 are 2 bags. B1 has 2 white, 3 black. 2 white and 3 black. In second bag has 3 white and 4 black balls. 3 white and 4 black balls. E1 be the event of selecting first bag. Suppose B1, that is P of E1 is equal to 1 by 2, and E2 be the event of selecting second bag. P of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. The probability of finding here, what is the probability here? We have to find that ball is black from the choose the bag B1, black color ball, that is let P of B by E1 is the first bag from selecting the black ball. How many black balls here? 3. 3 by total 5, and P of B by E2, and total how many black balls here? 4 black balls, total is 7. 4 black balls, total is 7. Here we have to find the values of P of E1, E2 and P of B by E1, P of B by E2. Then substituting the values here according to using the Bayes theorem, P of E1 by B is equal to P of E1 into P of B by E1 by P of E1 into P of B by E1, P of E2 into P of B by E2 plus P of E3 into P of B by E3. But here in the problem we have only 2 bags. The third bag is not there. Then we have to take the value here P of E1, P of E1 into P of B by E1 by P of E1 into P of B by E1 plus P of E2 into P of B by E2. In third bag is not there. Then here we have to take it as 0. P of E1 is 1 by 2 and B by E1 is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Here also 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 7, that is equal to 3 by 10 divided by 3 by 10 plus 4 by 14. 4 by 14, that is, take the LCM of 10 and 14. Here 2, 5 here 7, 2 5s 10, 10 10 7s 70, that is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 by 3 by 10 plus 4 by 14. 3 by 10, here the LCM is 70, 7 3s 21, here 4 5s 20, 3 by 10 by 41 by 70. 3 by 10 into 70 by 41. Here 10 table will cancel here 7 times, that is 21 by 41. The probability of finding the black ball is from 2 bags is 21 by 41. And then we are going to the next problem. Here also 3 boxes are there, that is B1, B2, B3. Contain the balls with different colors as shown below. Here white balls, black balls and red balls. The bags are 3 bags here. First finding the probability of suppose a die is thrown. A die is thrown. B1 is chosen if either 1 or 2 turns up. Selecting B1 is 1 or 2 turns up. Selecting B2 is 3 or 4 turns up. Selecting B3 is 5 or 6 turns up. Then having chosen a box in this way, a ball is chosen at random from this box. If a ball is red, if a ball is red, finding the probability of drawing ball is from box 2. Let E1 be the event of selecting box 1, that is P of E1. Here it is 1 or 2 turns up, that is dice has 6 faces. We have to change, possible chances is 2 only, that is equal to 1 by 3. Here we have to write 1 or 2 turns up, and E2 be the event of selecting box 2, selecting box 2, that is 3 or 4 turns up, that is P of E2 is equal to 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. And also E3 is the event of selecting box 3. P of E3 is equal to, what is turns up here, 5 or 6. Favorable chances is 2. 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. That is P of E1 and P of E2 and P of E3 is 1 by 3. Is 1 by 3. What they are asking here, the probability of finding the red ball from the box 2. Finding the red ball from the box 2. We have to write the all red balls in all the boxes. In first box, second box and third box. Red balls are, we have to write all red balls has, in first bag has red balls is 2, second box has red balls is 4, and again third box has 2. That's why I am taking here all the red balls is, in first bag has 2, 4, 2. In total balls in first box, second box and third box, total balls in first box has 2 plus 1, 4, 3, 5. First box has 5. Second box has 9. First box has 5 and second box has 9. Total is 5 here. Here 9. And third box has how many total balls here? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Here also 9 balls total. In box 3 also 9 balls. We have to selecting all boxes in red balls, that is R by E1 be the event of selecting a red ball. P of R by E1 is equal to 2 by 5. And E2 be the event of selecting E2 by R by E2 be the event of selecting red ball in second box. P of R by E2 is equal to total red balls in box has 4 and total is 9. R by E3 be the event of selecting a red ball in box 3, that is P of R by E3 is equal to, how many red balls here in box 3 has 2 red balls, total is 9, that is 2 by 9. Then substituting the values of P of E1, E2, E3 and R by E1, R by E2 and R by E3 in the Bayes theorem, that is P of E2 is 1 by 3 and R by E2 is how many here? R by E2. R by E2 is 4 by 9. Substituting here 4 by 9. Here also 1 by 3. How many red balls here in E1? 4 red balls, total 5. Here also P of E2 is 1 by 3 and second bag has 4 red balls and 9 total, 4 by 9. Here 2 by 5. Here 4 by 9 plus here also 1 by 3 into how many black balls here? 4. Here also 9. Then simplification here. Then we can get 4 by 27. Here also 2 by 15 plus 4 by 27. Here also 4 by 27. The total balls in first bag has first bag has how many balls? Total balls here 2 by first ball 2 by 5. Then substituting here, then get the answer is 4 by 27. Here 27, the LCM of 27 and 15 is 3 3 is 9. 27 into 5. 135. Total here we get here 135. 135 by 15. 9 2s 18. 27. 135 by 27 is 4 5s 20. 27 by 135. 135 by 27 is 5. 5 into 4 20. That is 4 by 27 by 135. We have to add 40 plus 18. 58. That is equal to 4 by 27 into 135 by 28. Here 4 table, here 2 table, here 14 times and again here 7 times. 7 will cancel here. 5. 7 months. Here we can get here 135 by 135 by 27 into 7. Here 3 table. 3 table how many? 9 table here 3 times. Here 15 times. That these 3 will cancel here 5 times. Therefore, the probability is 5 by 7. The probability of finding the 3 boxes, then the red ball is 5 by 7.